This isn't just Kylo Ren's shuttle. It's a full-on Star Wars mission packed into one impressive Lego set. Whether you're reliving the Rise of Skywalker or making up your own battles, this ship is built for action. You've got two spring-loaded shooters, a working ramp, and an opening cockpit that holds Kylo and two more minifigures. The real standout, the wings. You can fold them for landing, rotate the right side engine up to expand them, and even collapse the top to change the profile, just like in the movie. It also comes with 6 detailed minifigures, including Kylo Ren, General Pryde, a Sith Trooper, a First Order Stormtrooper, and 2 Knights of Ren with custom weapons and unique helmets. The shuttle is wide, tall, and visually striking, perfect for display, but even better in play. If you are into the dark side, sleek design, and ships with serious presence, this one's for you.